So we have a little problem because someone's foot got stuck in the cord and my microscope took a little spill. Here's the problem. So Carolina sent us instructions on how to fix it. First thing, come on, focus now. We got to get all this caulking out so we can access the Allen head for the screw inside of here, because there's 3 that look like that keep this on. So that's what I'm working on now, picking that out with my inspection probe from Dissection Lab. I'll let you know how it goes. Look how awesome this piece came out. Focus. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Look at that. Looks just like it. How cool. Okay, back to work. Okay, next step. You need an Allen wrench. Misty, where do you get all these cool tools? Well, I went to the Walmart. Bought myself a tool bag full of stuff so I don't have to ask the office all the time because they never have anything. So, in case you're wondering what size this is, it's a 5/64. You put it in there. Watch this. Focus. Then you need to back these out. Don't take them all the way out, it said. Just back them out so you can get the flange of the eyepiece in. I think that's far enough, so I'll do that to all of them, and I'll show you the next step. Now that we have those all backed out, look inside. Isn't that neat? If you ever wanted to look in there, now you have. So now we'll take our eyepiece, which also, by the way, is pretty cool. And put it in there so that it sits flush. Like that. And then we'll take our 5/64 Allen wrench, put it in there, tighten. I won't snug it down too far till I get them all sort of tight, I guess like you would do for tires. Get them snug. That one's pretty snug already. Maybe I made these ones too tight. Can't get that other one snug. I'm not a microscope doctor, I just play one on TV. Okay, now I'm going to give them a good spin and a grunt. Whoopsie. And let's look, see if it's fixed. Well, I can see my finger. Carolina, you know what you're doing. We fixed it. Ha ha.